Welcome to StudioBinder. In this video, we're going to show you how to manage your scene settings. Your scene settings, or sets for short, are the narrative locations in your story. When you import your script, StudioBinder will take those scene headings and generate a list of sets that are referenced throughout your story. You can visit your scene settings page via your main navigation. If a set is referenced multiple times in a script, it will be reflected in the scene amount column here. If you want to rename the set, click here. If you want to remove the set, click here. Your scene settings should be as clear and standardized as possible. If you have the same set listed multiple times with slight variations in phrasing or with typos, it's best to standardize the phrasing in your screenwriting solution prior to importing the script. However, you can still merge repeated sets after the fact. To merge multiple sets into one, simply select them and click here to merge. Watch the next video to learn how to add custom element categories